Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English Grammar Effectively. We are doing vocabulary with the help of different kinds of activities and dialogues. So do watch, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's get started. Excuse me is used as a polite expression or polite apology. It is used to get someone's attention or to interrupt someone. Excuse me, could you tell me the way to station? So friends, here in this dialogue, I interrupted her. That's why I used excuse me. Excuse me, I dropped my spoon. Here in this dialogue, I felt very sorry. That's why I used excuse me. Excuse me, I think this is my book.
See, Mama, I have completed my homework.
Excuse me for a moment.
Excuse me.
When you sneeze, use excuse me.
Excuse me.
When you yawn, use excuse me.
My stomach is full. Excuse me.
When you burp, use excuse me. Let's see synonyms for excuse me. I beg your pardon. I'm sorry. Forgive me. Sorry. So these kind of phrases you can use for excuse me. So friends, here you came across many situations in which we have used excuse me with synonyms. So you can use them all in your dialogues. See you soon in my next video. Stay tuned.